I'm gonna tell you, if you got room to put these in a door, you do get this in a set for $100. Is as soon as I turn that gain up, these things opened up big time.
This way you can see it before you buy it.
Hey, it's Big Jeff coming with another unboxing. We're gonna be talking about DD audio today. This is actually the VO-B2As. These are only $99 a set. That price is an incredible price, so I'm gonna tell you why. This is a Neo motor structure. Ionized aluminum heatsink, push terminals. It's a 1.5 inch, 50 watts RMS, 150 watts peak. This is a 4-ohm. Frequency response is also 2.5 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. 105 on the DBSPL. Mounting depth is only 2.9. Mounting diameter 74 millimeter. And overall diameter is 3.71 inches. I mean, this thing is cool. Let's take a look at it. First off, these are not little tweeters. You saw the overall was 3.71 inches. You also notice right away there are capacitors that come with it. So we do recommend that you use those unless you have a separate amp crossed over. Now, we're going to take a couple of measurements here. I'm going to use the Big Jeff cam.
Activated.
So the cutout diameter is 2.81, just about 2.8, okay? And then our depth, let's use it, sorry, this way. Our depth, dyslexic here, is, like it says, 1.6. So this is beefy. This is a Neo structure, and it even has push terminals, which is really cool. You don't see that too much on them. And down in there, it's really hard to see, but there's a cone like they put on full range loudspeakers. You do get this in a set for $100. Let's go back to our regular camera. So you're getting a set of these for $100. These are, you can just hold and tell that they're just made with some quality. DD audio definitely gives you quality. These things are killer. 50 watts RMS. This is the way to go. We have these on the bigjeffaudio.com website. We're also a DD audio distributor, so if you're a dealer or know a dealer that would like to get the brand in, you contact us at bigjeffaudio.dealer.com. And yeah, I would recommend soldering, but basically you would use this in there like that, and then you would attach your positive here. That would also cross out the frequencies you need. This looks like it is a 3.3 UF 250 volt. Okay, let's go ahead and take a listen. I'm gonna hook one of these up. Let's see how clear these things sound. Okay, so as we said, you would want to solder those on, but just for this, we're gonna use this simply. So we're gonna put the positive through the capacitor, and then we're gonna hook up the ground here. And then let's turn on our amp. There we go, and let's get a track going. This will definitely take some more power. There it goes. I can't explain how loud these are. Let's go back over to the bench. Okay, so first thing I want to say is that as soon as I turn that gain up, these things opened up big time. That's just off of a full range and using the capacitor. You could definitely dial these in. I will say that it says 50 watts in the specs, but on the bottom of the magnets is 75 watts. I would definitely say 75 watts all day long, because when I opened that gain up, these things came alive. And for $99, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so this was the DD audio VO-B2A. And I'm gonna tell you, if you got room to put these in a door, which seem like they're easy to mount because this is just round, you don't have to cut out. I like how they put the terminals here. Some of them stick out. It's a pain in the butt to cut out. These will go right in, look clean, look nice, and they will definitely scream. Okay, so for $99, check it out at bigjeffaudio.com. I'm Big Jeff. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share this out. Leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next unboxing. Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com.